Welcome to Phuket, one of the most enchanting destinations in Thailand. Today, we'll take you on a journey to discover the extraordinary attractions that make this island truly special. Brace yourself for a fascinating experience. Alright, so here we are on Thursday morning and it's way too early, but we are heading up for the shuttle so we can go on a boat ride out to James Bond Island and check out some other areas. Alright, I don't even know what to say, so we'll just see you out there. Alright, so our group has made it down here to the Phuket Boat Lagoon, 5-star marine, and it is the entire group from the wedding, minus a couple. But we watched a video and we will be on 5-star boat tours, iconic boats made right here in Phuket. Nice little dual engine boats. And our group is large enough that we are actually going to have 2 boats just to ourselves. We are definitely looking forward to this trip. We are now planning on the exact spots that we're going to go because with 5-star marine you can customize your trip if you're on a private tour. So even mid-trip, according to their videos and the staff here, if you decide that you want to do something else, say you didn't have a snorkeling spot included and you want to include a snorkeling spot, they can change it. The trip is completely yours, and the only thing that they're really going to hold you to is the timeline of heading out and coming back. But here they are preparing our boats, and we will be heading out here shortly.
Yeah. You know my name?
Yeah, because that's his name. He's Bill.
Bill.
Hey, Bill, how are you? I love your husband.
All right, we've just left the bay. I am on Team Green, and we have Team Green and Team Red. Team Red's behind us. We just left out of the harbor, or the lagoon, and we are headed to our first stop, which is going to be the furthest one away because they said it gets really, really busy after 10 o'clock. So it's supposed to be a little bumpy for the first, but after that, it's inside of protected areas, and so it should be calm afterwards. So we'll see you there. Let's kickstart our adventure by exploring the captivating Phang National Park. We will feature stunning limestone mountains, emerald green waters, and hidden lagoons all around Phang Nga Bay. This park is a true natural wonder. Koh Phanak, a hidden gem with mystical caves and stunning limestone formations. With 5-star marine boat tours, you'll navigate through these enchanting waters and witness the marvels of nature up close. So we just came out of the first cave. The water was about waist deep, and then down to the knees from there. They asked if anyone was claustrophobic, which Julie is, but there was quite a bit of space in there and she didn't have any problems with it. But once you come out of that cave, you come into this beautiful, beautiful mangrove, and it's just breathtaking. Next, we glide over to Koh Hong, a secluded paradise blessed with crystal clear waters and pristine beaches. Alright, so here we are at our second stop, and we thought we were going to have to paddle our own canoe, but we're not.
Personal rower.
And he's really awesome at it. And here we are now entering one of the caves. Alright, so we're still here on our second stop, and we just came out of one of the little coves. We're heading into another spot. They point out that this rock formation is called Big Turtle. The visit here is nothing short of majestic as you soak up the sun, swim, or snorkel in this tropical haven. Time to channel our inner 007 as we approach Khao Phing Can, popularly known as James Bond Island. This iconic landmark, made famous by the movie The Man with the Golden Gun, will leave you in awe. 5-star marine boat tours will take you on an immersive journey to explore this picturesque setting. Alright, so here we are at the iconic James Bond Island and the little market. I think, is this where we're grabbing lunch, babe? Or is it after this one? I think it's after this one. Yeah, so after this one we're going to go to another little island and have some lunch to give us a little time to explore around. Get ready to discover a unique community at Koh Phangan, a breathtaking floating village built entirely on stilts. Immerse yourself in the local culture, savor delicious seafood, and witness the resilience of a community living harmoniously with the sea as their backyard. Alright, so we've made it to lunch and we'll be on this little island for I think about 45 minutes to an hour, they said. And for 300 baht per person, we got a full meal. We got rice with vegetables, a chicken, a shrimp, some noodles, chicken noodle soup, some fish. Just a whole big feast. So here we are in the village of Panay. Most of it is built over the water on stilts, and we're out exploring, and our guide told us if we get lost, just ask for the floating pitch. They have a football, soccer for Americans, floating pitch out there. But basically, this little town is a lot like Venice, where they have a bunch of different little routes that interweave throughout the town. And he said it's very easy to get lost. But all you have to do is ask for the football pitch. We'll explore the town a little bit more and then we'll be headed back. Our adventure continues at Koh Kai Nai, an idyllic island boasting pristine white sands and turquoise waters. You can experience the ultimate beach getaway, sunbathe, swim, or simply unwind in this Caribbean-like paradise. All kinds of jellies in the water. Look how amazing that is. Alright, so we've arrived on Karon Island, and it's got some beautiful waters. We're going to be very cautious on some of the areas because of the jellyfish. But we've now got our drink. We've got some snorkel gear and some shade. So we're going to enjoy the island. Our next stop is the picturesque Ariana Beach Resort, the perfect sanctuary for beach lovers. And we are now here at the Ariana Beach Resort, right, babe? Ariana, sorry. And we have a poolside room that we're heading to. There's the main pool. And we will take you and show you our room in a bit. All right, here we are at room 3101. This is a ground floor pool room. Pool access room. Standard shower. And this room comes with, well, all the rooms I'm assuming come with 2 umbrellas, 2 beach mats, and there's some flip-flops down on the floor and 2 robes. Got your desk and television. You've got 1 king bed. The wall closes.
Completely.
You have a lounger.
See?
And another king bed. Go ahead and pull it all the way closed, babe. There you go. So now it's completely closed off. So if you've got a family, it'd be a decent place to keep the family. And then out here is our little pool access room.
How do you flip the door? Does it come in? Yeah,
Comes in. And it looks like our neighbors might have been partaking in Songkran because there's some water guns. If you zoom in out here, got some water buffalo. And then we will take you down and show you the main pool a little bit later. All right, so right outside of room 3101, we are right at the end of the hall. And we have our pool access walkway right there. So we're gonna go walk around the resort real quick and take a little tour. So here's the pool bar. I think she said it's open until 7 p.m. Looks like it's a swim up bar, which is nice. They got a beam over there where you can sit on it and with gloves and try and box each other, see who falls off first. This is probably a kids area, but I think I might walk through that sometimes just to cool off a little bit. We do have pool rooms here on the pool side, but we kind of enjoy being on the other side in case people are partying kind of late at night or being noisy. Gets us away from that, but we're still close enough to enjoy the main pool. Yeah, we haven't seen an adults only pool, so we'll let you know if we find one.
That's a bad thing.
We do enjoy when there's a adults only area. So over there, it looks like there's a little playground and stuff for the kiddos. So the resort has a breakfast area, a restaurant, and a Starbucks on it.
There's 2 restaurants.
2 restaurants, sorry.
There's the beachfront restaurant and then the palm tree restaurant.
And we'll walk by those here shortly.
Plus room service. You aren't allowed to have any outside food delivered from anywhere.
Right.
Or brought back.
So they said for safety you can't bring any food or delivery like Julie
and
said.
They will fine you $500 per food item. Looks like kids club over there.
Looks like they do a little outdoor cooking here and there. It's a pretty resort.
No alcohol on the beach. What the heck?
Oh wow. Yeah, that's kind of a bummer. There is another bar over here. Pool table. Got the bar there. Another little lounge area. There's the Starbucks. And here we are coming out onto the beach. Ah, yay. So it looks like they got all kinds of activities out here. They've got snorkeling, you got your boat rides, your jet skis, parasailing, advertising some laundry service out here. There's some palapas over there. I don't know, I think those might belong to this resort. I'm not sure, but you can kind of go down the beach and see multiple different things happening. The real feel right now is 109. A little hot to be hanging out. All right, so heading back towards the main part of the resort. Another bar over there. We're directly across from Starbucks out for point of reference. Looks like there's some little hammocks over here to lay in. And the fan feels super nice right now. All right, this here is the Palm Tree Restaurant. It's closed right now. Here we are back at the main pools. So a little bit different than what we like. We prefer to be able to take a couple of drinks out onto the beach or order them while we're out on the beach. Sometimes we like to bring in some local foods.
Or food we get from the grocery store even.
Or food like snacks and stuff. Unfortunately,
Helps
they
save you
prohibit
some
that
money.
here.
Yeah.
All right, well that's the resort. We'll show you more as we dine and stuff. We'll let you know what the food tastes like and go from there. Okay, just to the right of the Ariana check-in area is the fitness center. Looks like it goes ways back in there. Here's the back side of the rooms. We have a lounge area to sit out here. And then down at this end, there's some boardrooms in case you're here for some type of a conference.
Situated on the beautiful Nayang Beach, this resort boasts luxurious accommodations, an infinity pool, and direct access to the pristine sandy shores. It's an ideal place to unwind and indulge in the unrivaled beauty of Phuket. As the sun sets, we head to Catch Beach Club, an exclusive beachfront venue next door to Ariana where relaxation meets sophistication. Indulge in delectable cuisine, sip on signature cocktails, and witness the vibrant Phuket nightlife come alive in this trendy hotspot.
Alright, so here I am at Stefan's Barbershop. It's about a 3-minute walk from Ariana Resort, and I just got a really amazing haircut. I'm very impressed with it, and I had a straight razor shave. My barber did an excellent job, did everything that I asked for, and this is Stefan. And so if you're out looking for a haircut and you're in this area, please be sure to stop by Stefan's Barbershop. You'll get it taken care of excellently. Real friendly, real great place to come, and I look forward to coming back on my next adventure. And just gonna walk down here a little bit to kind of show everyone what is available within walking distance of Ariana Resort. There's massages, money exchanges, gift shops, pretty much anything that you would need. I don't remember if I mentioned it earlier, but we did learn that at Ariana you cannot bring on any food or drinks from outside of the resort. So if you are out shopping around, getting some food and drinks, be sure to consume those before you get back to Ariana, because they did say that it will be a 500 baht fine for each item that you bring in. So, you know, if you bring back a 6-pack of beer or something like that, it can add up pretty quickly. But there's everything that you need out here. There's a pharmacy right next to Ariana, and there's another pharmacy right over here. There's motor scooter rental. I dropped off laundry, which was about a 1.5-minute walk from the resort. I'll show you that again tomorrow. Taxi service right around the road over here you can catch. There's taxis all lined up outside the resort. All right, so if you turn left when you exit out of Ariana and just walk another minute or so down the road, you'll find a bunch more things that you can do. There is a mini golf with darts, pools, pizza, burgers, Thai food, a beer garden. And there's also a Muay Thai gym where you can come over and get working out, possibly spar against someone. I will not be partaking in that. Back in 1995, we did a training session when I was here, but I will not be doing that these days. I am way too old for that. You got a little massage place, another laundry shop. As I said earlier, pretty much anything that you need right outside of the shop other than going to tour around Phuket or something like that, you can find within walking distance outside of Ariana.
Need to relax after your thrilling adventures? Then it's time to treat yourself to a rejuvenating spa experience at Oasis Spa. Nestled in a serene tropical garden, this oasis offers therapeutic treatments and massages that will transport you to a realm of ultimate relaxation and bliss.
All right, so we're near Phuket Old Town, and we just left one of the actual malls, which has all the name brand stores that you could think of. And we have now Chilwa Market. So we're gonna go ahead and check this out. All right, so we made it about 7 steps into the market and we're already buying things. It's a nice little market, and found a cute little top for someone. And now we're going to check out the rest of it. It has cooled down considerably considering what it was earlier. So we hung out at the mall for a couple hours just until it cooled down. Around sunset now. Just going to enjoy the day here at the market.
Phuket is not only about natural wonders, but also vibrant cultural experiences. Enter Chilwa Market, a hip and trendy night market that showcases local creativity, delicious street food, and live entertainment. Meander through the colorful stalls, savor the unique flavors, and soak up the lively atmosphere.
Alright, so we left out of Chilwa Market, and we took a taxi down here to Phuket Old Town. And we're going to explore around here for a few minutes. It's a little bit toasty out down here. It felt like there was more of a breeze at the market, I thought. But we're going to check this out for a few minutes, and then we'll probably head back to the hotel and get ready for some dinner.
Our final stop is Phuket Old Town, where history comes alive. Explore the colonial buildings adorned with vibrant street art, visit the temples, and immerse yourself in the rich heritage of this charming town. Enjoy the delightful fusion of Thai, Chinese, and Portuguese influences that make Phuket Old Town an enchanting cultural hub. And there you have it, fellow travelers, the wonders of Phuket unveiled. Thanks to 5-star marine boat tours, we have experienced the beauty of Koh Phanak, Koh Hong, Koh Ping Kan, Koh Phangan, and Koh Kai Nai. From relaxing stays at Ariana Beach Resort to the indulgent pampering at the Oasis Spa, Phuket offers an unforgettable vacation for everyone. So, pack your bags, unearth the extraordinary, and embark on a journey to Phuket where paradise awaits.